Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am back with another kit. This second kit is for my Shabby Chic friends. This is a very, very Shabby Chic kit. I think you guys are really going to love it. This is my Shabby Chic Ballerina kit. And I've worked very hard on this kit. I've put some beautiful things together. So let me get started and share with you what this kit is. This is a Shabby Chic book, and I've made the book for you, so you will get this book that I have created. It has 4 pages with this absolutely gorgeous ballerina fabric in it. And this fabric is vintage. It is from the 1950s. I absolutely fell in love with it when I found it, and I knew I had to make a kit with it. It's so beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love it. Such pretty ballerinas on there. Gorgeous pinks and blues and just a touch of mint green. It's really pretty. I absolutely love it. So I have made the whole book for you. The book base is made. So you get that. And then I made you 3 rolled roses in the same fabric. And I made you 3 shabby bows in the same fabric. So they will look so pretty on your book. You also will get some charms. This charm, now these ones in particular, every kit will have one, but the ballerina's dress may be a different color. It might be gold, white, it may be blue, what other colors, or red. So it'll be one of those colors, but you will get them. They're beautiful. They've got rhinestones. She's got rhinestones in her dress and a beautiful big rhinestone there, and it matches the kit beautifully. I just love it. There is also this little ballerina. She's so tiny, but look at her dress. This is enamel on her dress. Very good quality little ballerina charm. So adorable. And then you're going to get 2 of these little ballerina charms as well. So that's 4 charms in total. So there's all the charms. They're super cute. So you get 4 of those. And then what do you get to make your book? Well, first of all, you get this gorgeous applique. You could cover the front of your book with that if you wanted to. And then it also has this other little flower attached to it. So each kit comes with one of those. You will get a piece of this beautiful pink rosette trim. You will get a piece of this gorgeous vintage beaded trim with sequins. I mean, that would look good at the top. That you could put that on the bottom. It would be so pretty. Look, I could build this book right now. I'm so in love with this kit. You will get a piece of this absolutely gorgeous beaded ribbon. It's really pretty. It's pink seed beads, it's embroidered, and it's got pink pearls on it. And that you could use for your tie on the side of the book if you wanted to. That would look really pretty. You will get a piece of this gorgeous trim. That's enough probably for 2 pages, I would think. Let me open the book up. I tried to make them so the pieces would fit. Yeah. That will go across the 2 pages there. So that'll fit 2 pages. And then there's a piece of this absolutely stunning dangle lace. I'm sure everybody loves this lace. Look how beautiful that is. You could cut that in half and spread it over 2. You could cut each of these dangles if you wanted to. So pretty. I love that lace. It's one of my favorites. You will also be getting a lovely piece of this fabric. I love this fabric. It makes beautiful flowers. You can cut each of these ruffles out and make a flower with it. These make beautiful flowers. And it's in this gorgeous soft pink color. I love this fabric. So there's a lot you can do there. You could make a pocket with it if you wanted to. But I like to cut each of these individual ruffles out and make flowers with them. I think they're just so pretty. You will also get a lovely piece of this pink lace. And you can cut all those flowers out. And again, there's more than enough you can see compared to the book. But if you cut out each of those flowers, there's a lot there. There's a piece of this beautiful bridal trim. Again, it's big enough to go across both pages. You will get 4 of my hand-dyed loopy flowers in a pretty pink color. So pretty. You will get 6 of these fan pieces. 2 of these absolutely vintage and gorgeous appliques. I found these in a vintage shop. 2 come with each kit. They're satin and flowers. I believe they must have been on a dress of some kind, but that's all embroidered on there. And the colors match the book just beautifully. And then you've got the little netting piece in between. You could put that, you know, down the side, or you could cut each piece out. It's beautiful. They're beautiful appliques. Nice big pieces too. 2 of those. 3 little white doilies. A lovely piece of this beautiful lace, which I love. One of my favorite laces, and that is more than enough to go across. Well, if you fold that in half, you could do 4 pages. And it's really pretty. You will get about a yard of this beautiful pink and lavender fiber. And you will get 1 yard of my favorite trim, which is this beautiful white tulle trim, double layered tulle trim. Let me, if my fingers will work there, you can see it's a double layered tulle trim. And of course, you know, I like to do this with my books and add this to the edge of the book. It looks so pretty going along the edge of the book. I love it. It looks so nice. And I've also included a yard of the pink. And this is a very soft baby pink. So you could layer that up one on top of the other. How gorgeous would that be for the cover if you put this piece on top and then added a beautiful image to the center there. Look at how pretty that is. It's so pretty. So soft and so shabby. So I'm really excited about this kit. I have 4 of these guys. So if you are interested, these are $27 because I'm making the books myself. I've tried to keep the price as low as I can, but $27 is about the best I can do. So if you're interested in this, let me know. I have to make the books, so there'll be 4 kits. If you order one, I need a couple of days just to put the book together, and then I will ship after that. My email will be in the description box. You can email me or you can leave a comment on this video if you're interested. So $27 plus shipping. And you get all these beautiful goodies, gorgeous laces. Look how pretty this is. I mean, amazing. Appliques, doilies, lace, 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 loopy flowers, fabric, handmade bows and handmade flowers, and of course the adorable little charms. I mean, this book will be so beautiful put together. Gorgeous dangle laces as well. So let me know if you're interested, guys. $27 plus shipping. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. Bye.